Kill. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Today is my last hunt in Alaska, unfortunately, but might be a really good one. I'm out with Jaden again. We got Rue. We got Leo. Leo's someone else's dog, just followed us down here. And got a high tide right about sunset today. I think sunset's 8 o'clock. High tide, it's like 7:45. So we're out here for just the last couple hours of light. Got a strong north wind. Been blowing north for a couple days now. I've been pushing a bunch of new birds into the area. So I think we're gonna try to hunt one of these protected ponds here. Just followed my track in on Onyx from a couple days ago. So we got out here pretty quick. And yeah, there's birds flying around. A couple other guys over there jump shooting, so they should keep birds moving, I think. Just gotta find a spot, get the decoys thrown out, and hopefully some ducks will be dumping in here in a few minutes. So stay tuned. Hopefully we get on them. All right, Red, there you go. Good girl. Leo, you gotta leave now, dude. Yeah, he probably will.
Big dogs usually don't like guns.
Two more out front. Kill him there. Sit! Sit! Rue! There we go. That was an awesome decoy. Yeah. You can shoot them high if you want. I'm not going to shoot here. I don't think they're going to come in. Yeah. The widgeon. Good girl. Go kennel. Kennel. Dead bird. Back. I think I got the second one. We shot at the same time. I don't really care. If you think you got them both, you can have them. There we go, a couple Drake widgeon. Good stuff. All right, come here. Hey, kennel. Kill him. Yeah, that front one. Watch. Rue. Heck of a retrieve from Rue there. Those teal came in with a little more speed than what we were expecting, so not the cleanest shoot, but knocked one down, and Rue made a sweet mark on it. Okay. Kennel. Come on. Go kennel. Good girl. That one, you or me? Here, you take that one. I don't think I was really on it. I never saw it flinch on any of my shots. Yeah, could, yeah. 30 minutes before high tide or right at high tide, they might roll 650. Yeah. I could see this being a roost pond here. They come in right at the last little bit. Oh,
Oh, there's two more split off.
I think we should shoot this one. Kill him. Sit. Sit. Roo. Penny. Good girl. That one did it nice. Good girl. Well, Penny just did it pretty nice. Birds are racking up out on the river, probably 150 yards in front of us. So making it a little tough, but that one did it just about perfect.
I think when this tide comes up a little more, they won't have anywhere to land.
Yeah. Unless they're just using it as like a transition spot. Yeah, I think a lot blew out on that north wind. I think we lost a ton of birds. I mean, just, there ain't nothing flying. I think really the only reason those ones are flying earlier is because those other guys were walking around out here, pushing them up, and those guys went up in the boat. Besides that, we haven't seen nothing flying. Try to use the old GoPro battery trick to get them flying. Really? Kill? Roo! I ain't hit nothing. They did it so nice. I don't know how I didn't hit nothing. Yeah, you did. Works every time. Good girl, Roo. Good girl, Roo. Good girl. Go kennel. Roo, come here. Kennel. Good girl. Here you go. Nice shooting. I don't know how I missed. Oh, gosh. Where'd that thing come from? Bunch more behind them. I can see pretty good. I've never even seen it come in. I heard, like you said, I heard it too. So I got 12 minutes. It's gonna get real dark here in the last 5. Cool if I shoot this one. Roo! Finally can hit one. Five minutes left. Good girl. When they do it on this pond, they do it nice. Is that a widgeon? Not a seal. Good girl. Oh. Might be the last bird of my Alaska season. Oh yeah, half decent little drake widgeon there. So what's up? Let's go. Sit. Through. Last flock of the season right there. What do we have? 1 minute left. Oh. Yep, sunset now. Oh, there goes another one. Good girl, leave it. Hey. Back. Well, folks, that is going to be a wrap on the 2024 Alaska duck season for me. Had an absolute blast up here. Glad Jaden was able to get back up here in time for us to sneak out on a couple hunts. This was a fun little evening shoot. Definitely not as many birds around as previous days, but the ones that worked in here, man, that was fun to watch. So I finished the day with 3 Drake widgeon. Definitely the year of the widgeon up here. For all y'all folks in the Pacific Northwest, I'd be ready because they should be headed your way pretty soon. And what'd you end up with, Jaden?
Widgeons, a pintail, and a teal.
Nice. So yeah, nice little mixed bag to finish things out. Good work from Rue today. Definitely needed her on a couple of those par ones. So really hope y'all enjoyed these Alaska videos. If you did and you want to see more waterfowl hunting videos, I'd really appreciate if you click that subscribe button. If you have any questions about the hunt, leave it in the comment section down below. Hope everybody out there is staying safe. God bless, and thanks for watching.